press record. What's up, y'all? It's Monday night. The man you love to hate. I may be wrong, but I doubt it. What is going on with our black women? Some of our black women. Suki Hana and Sexy Red. It is so much I want to say in such disgust. These two females are about ratchet as hell. I went and checked out Suki Hana, one of her videos. I think it's called 5 Foot. I don't trust me. In the video, she says in her rap, she's selling pussy in these streets. She's ratchet as can be. She's twerking all in the video. You got all females and one, I don't know what you want to call it, transgender, trying to be, I don't know. She's doing all that, and she has a baby in a harness up front while she's twerking and got all that ass and just badussy all around her. I'm trying to understand why. What in the hell is the reason? Seriously. You are a mother, and this is what you're displaying for your child? If she didn't have kids, guess what? It is what it is. Do you? But you have a child. You have 3, if I'm not mistaken. These are the lessons you're teaching your kids. Now, what would you say if your child was doing that? On the internet. Would you be in the sidelines? Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. Get your money. This is where we are now. You're performing, shooting a video, and you have your baby in a harness, and you're saying some of the most vile and disrespectful shit that you could possibly say. And you don't give a damn of the energy that you're putting out there because your baby is getting it, absorbing all that. And it's not a problem for you. Where's the fucking responsibility? Where's the respect? But if I called you a hoe, guess what? You'll say, that's what I am. That's what I is. That's what I is. That's what I do. Well, that's for your baby too. Right now, we're in a situation where young mothers are more concerned of having a hot girl summer, being wild and free, than worrying about the responsibility of raising a child. Say it again. Young mothers of today are more concerned with having a hot girl summer, being free, doing them, than the responsibility of being a mother to their babies. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm going to talk about the brothers too, but right now I'm talking about mothers, because when you're a mother, there's a gift that only a woman can do. You're creating life. 9 months it takes while that baby's growing inside of you. And this is what your child's first words to be. Get it, bitch. Twerk it, bitch. Fuck these niggas. This is what we want for our children's first words. Now, I don't hear too many black women condemning them. I don't. Because some black women are saying that's empowerment. How? What's empowering about you twerking on a goddamn video? You got your baby right here in a harness, and all you talking about is prostitution. All you talking is prostitution. Get your money, bitch. I'm going to get my money, bitch. And that's all you're saying. And then turn around, hear your babies come right behind you. Saying the same vile and depraved type shit. It's a sick world we're living in. Now, I'm not saying I'm a man without sin. Yes, I know I sin, but damn it, I do have a child. And I try to watch everything I say and do, because that's a responsibility as a father I have to bestow amongst my child. We got to do better. It's a sad situation we're in right now. Because I'm telling you, these young ladies are teaching our daughters. They're coming up right behind them with that same mentality, that same ratchetness, that same whole mentality. When are we going to do better? No, it's your man, Monday night, the man you love to hate. I may be wrong, but I doubt it.